All right, welcome back. So I just got done doing pre-release, which was pretty fun. I only won one match. We did 3 matches, and what they did is just pretty much everyone got a pack per win. So I'm gonna open the pack first. I was able to get a box, which it's always nice. I know technically they're not supposed to sell them, but hey, I'm not telling. So I do like it when, I mean, it's pre-release. Why are you not able to buy it? You should be able to, but whatever. So, ooh, Ray. So yeah, I ended up playing Bubba. Didn't really get too good of leaders, but you know. I also forgot I should have checked to see if Mandalorian or Moff Gideon were gonna be good, but ooh, nice. I ended up pulling this, so it kind of ended up being nice because I got to use it on my Bubba leader, so it's gonna be nice to use it on old Bubba. All right, so let's put that there. Let's put our things there. I don't think I got any hyperspace, so all right, let's get cracking. Ooh, I don't have a knife over here. All right, I'll do with my nails. It's all right, my nails are long again. For those of you that comment on them, thank you. I know you love them. So yeah, I've been excited about this. I'm not too excited about the whole Asmodee FFG crap. Not being able to get, I mean, if Ravensburger, whatever, could figure it out, you would think a company that has their own printers, which I think they have their own printers. I think Asmodee prints their own cards, right? You would think they'd be able to figure this stuff out, but whatever. Like, unfortunately, I'm to the point where if the issues with not being able to get product continues, I'm just gonna quit the game. As much as I love it, I'm just not, I don't like dealing with that. I'm a firm believer that any game should be available at least for the first year or so. I don't care if it's printed to the ground. I mean, sure, we want our cards to be worth something, right? But all the cards should be first legendary and lightly played now. I mean, we want our cards to be worth something, sure, but I hate the fact that a few months after release of a game, you can't get it anymore, or at least not at decent MSRP prices. So I don't know. I don't think boxes for a game should increase until years later. So I don't know. That's just my belief. Nowadays, if a game is popular, people should buy it up just to resell it to the players, and it's just a bummer. Ooh, that looks sexy. So rare hyperspace, rare regular, and Lady Permixa in foil. And a bunch of comments and no comments. So yeah, but I'm still excited. I mean, I still really enjoy the game. I think it's one of the best games out there. I just wish it wasn't having issues with. I just wish everyone could get as much as they want. At least for a bit, you know. I'll say like 6 months or so, I don't know. Yeah. Hyperspace and a weird slot. I don't know if they've changed it. If that's usually the, I don't know. Hyperspace foil though. This nice. Rare goes there, that goes there. All right, and let's keep going. So yeah, it was fun. I mean, you know, the new stuff is cool. New mechanics. Are we having focusing issues? Sorry about. Oh, well, if you want to do that. Yeah, that's weird. So it looks like that's not the slot that the common used to be in, right? It's throwing me off a little bit. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. And give in to your anger. Sure. Another hyperspace foil. Fortunately, another common one. This is hyperspace. I'm still unsure what leader I'm looking to play. I might just look to update the old Boa. Some of the cards like just look so good for him. But I don't know, man. Some of the new leaders are pretty cool. So we'll see. We'll see what pans out, what the meta ends up being. So yeah, hopefully you all got to go to a pre-release if you're playing Star Wars, and the actual store that I usually play at didn't get their stuff, so I had to go to a different one, which was fine. And then tomorrow I might go to another one that I used to go to. It's a little further away, and I don't really like driving to it. So, but you know, it's pre-release, might as well do as many as you can, right? Only comes out once, or at least pre-release once a set, so. Alright, so far only one legendary. And one that, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I think about that legendary. I do think that Darth Maul should have been a legendary, that's for sure. Another hyperspace foil. That's 3 hyperspace foils, all common, so nothing major. But I'll take it. Boba, that's what I played today. Pretty good. I enjoyed it. Another legendary. Kylo the TIE Silencer. Not bad. Oh, and a foil legendary. Supreme Leader Snoke. Ooh. That looks pretty decent. So foil legendary. Nice. So bonus legendary. Let's hope it's not a 2 normal legendary box. So hopefully get at least another legendary, maybe 2. And it'll be a good box. All right. Now this card is amazing. It did some work for me today. Really good card. Comment. It's not a rebel, though, right? This thing wrecked me today. No joke. It's like I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Attached to a non-vehicle attached unit gains on attack. You may deal 3 damage divided as you choose among enemy ground units. That's not bad. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'll be interested to see how the meta turns out. You know, the good thing about the first set is that, you know, as the set was coming out, people thought the meta was kind of figured out, and like every other week, it seemed like, you know, someone new would win events, and yeah, Bubba dominated a lot, but I mean, there was a lot of stuff out there that was doing really good. Han Solo turned out to be great. Palpatine yellow, great. Vader turned out to be great. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff. Sabine was still good. I prefer my blonde Sabine. I actually love that deck. I like Leia, but fortunately Sabine kind of wrecks me, so I play her instead. I haven't tried a blonde Leia. I don't know if it works as well because you lose out on all the red stuff, so. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. I like when things continue to evolve and new stuff goes on top, and you just never know. It's very fun. All right. So this, I don't know, like, I haven't really looked at all the leaders, but I don't know, part of me thinks like Bosk was one that kind of interested me, so we'll see if he turns out to be pretty cool. Mandalorian, obviously. Ooh, Rey. Nice Rey unit. Legendary. I'll take it. So that's 4 legendaries. One more would be sweet. I got like 3 of these in my whatchamacallit, in my 6 packs for my pre-release. I didn't play them, but I don't really have that many upgrades anyways, except for Bubba's armor. That's probably the reason I decided to play Bubba. Turned out pretty good. So far, I mean, not a bad box. We'll see what these, what other legendaries settle at. I haven't really looked at any prices for legendaries. You know, just like the first set, I'm sure some of them will be less than some rares. And I'm sure some rares like Darth Maul, stuff like that, will probably be hard to get, which I haven't gotten one, so. I do have a case coming, so I'll have that on Friday, so in a week. Yeah. So that'll be fun. 4 packs. Well, 3 after this. Nice. Quirrell. I don't know. Alright. Guess I should be going slower for these, considering it's a new set, right? Nice. So a 5th and a hyperspace finalizer. And a hyperspace foil. Is it a legendary? Nope, it's a common. All commons, but I got 4 of them. So that looks pretty sweet. Choose any number of friendly units. Each of those units captures an enemy non-leader unit in the same arena. Oh, wow. Not bad. And this thing. All right. So the box, I mean, I don't know how, because that's 3 legendaries and 2 bonus legendaries. So set 1, I've had a box that was only 2 legendaries, no bonus legendaries. So I don't know if that's possible in this set or if they fix that. I would assume that on average it's going to be the same, where it's like 3 legendaries and then a potential for bonus legendaries. So in this case, this box is pretty good. Last pack. Not too bad. I can't complain. I mean, I don't know what those legendaries, if they're the good ones. Bad ones obviously just came out, so. Palpatine's return. All right, recap. Quick recap. So obviously this beauty, probably the hit of the box since it's hyperspace. Rey, nice. It's pretty big booty on her. 5 drop 4/7, that's not bad. 8 drop 6/6. Under curve, but enemies get -2/-2, so definitely great. 2/3/2. I mean, I guess it seems kind of, I don't know. And then this thing, not too bad. Get rid of all those Peckerwoods hidden your frickin' base. And then 3 common, 1 uncommon hyperspace foils, which are always beautiful, but I don't know. None of them really appeal to me right now. They're okay. Some hyperspace foils look amazing. All right, well, I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna post this tomorrow. I think it's technically already Saturday, so I'll post this tomorrow. These are the foils, just in case, if you care. And then, yeah. And then I might do the case, but still go back to a few. My sorcery, I still got a few. Like I have like 3 more boxes and a full case, so I think like 9 videos of sorcery if you're into that. And then I think I have like 3 cases of the first set that I still haven't posted for Spark of the Rebellion. I think it was 3 cases. My second case did have a showcase, so we'll see. I'll post those soon too. But yeah, appreciate you watching. I do thank you very much. If you want, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. If not, that's fine. Hit a thumbs down. It helps too, you know. But most importantly, have yourself a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope you get to do some pre-release. And yeah, enjoy the game, enjoy life. Thank you for watching.